Good morning everyone, this is Sakis Paraskevov, Senior Fundamental Analyst at IronFX Global, bringing you the morning comment for the 24th of December. First of all, I would like to congratulate our official partner, FC Barcelona, on winning their 5th trophy of 2015. The victory over River Plate was the 3rd Club World Cup title for FC Barcelona and the 5th trophy to end a dream 2015, after also winning the Liga, Copa del Rey, Champions League and European Super Cup, matching the whole of 2011. Barcelona won 3 times 5 trophies in a single calendar year, in 2009, 2011, 2015, the only team to have ever achieved that. What a team! Now, as far as our trading game is concerned, the latest US batch of data showed that the US economy is on a solid footing. US personal income rose at the same rate as consumer spending in November. The data exceeded expectations and added to the list of encouraging indicators for the final quarter of the year. These indicators are consistent with the Fed's view of considerable improvement in labor market conditions for this year. It is also an indication that the wages may be further supported. Durable goods orders for the same month were expected to fall, but instead remained flat, adding to the latest batch of solid data. Military spending helped to lift up the durable goods headline figure. Nevertheless, the fundamental outlook of the US economy appears to be on a solid footing following the historic December rate hike by the Fed. If labor market data continue to improve and consumer spending remains healthy, the prospect of 3 to 4 rate hikes in 2016, as suggested in the Fed's dot plot, could materialize. The market currently prices in less rate hikes than the Fed dot plot suggests. As a result, if the data continue to improve, USD could regain its glamour, as the market will need to raise its expectations somewhat to meet Fed's expectations. Overnight, the Bank of Japan released the minutes of its November policy meeting. As usual, these are not the minutes from the most recent meeting, but rather from the previous one, during which the Bank of Japan kept its stimulus program unchanged. At the latest meeting, the bank kept its policy rate and QQE program size unchanged. However, it approved non-unanimously though by 6-3 vote the launch of additional measures aimed at encouraging corporate spending and hiring. Through these measures, the Bank of Japan aims to stimulate wage growth in the private sector and boost inflation over the longer term. The minutes of the previous meeting, released last night, showed that the members shared the view that it was important that the underlying trend in inflation is reflected in wage negotiations, and the Bank of Japan should make policy adjustments without hesitation if that trend changed. Overall, given that these were the minutes of the previous meeting and not the latest one, there was no new information that market participants had not already known. As a result, there was limited impact on the Japanese yen at the release. As for today, we have a very light calendar day, with the only noteworthy event of the day being the US initial jobless claims for the week ended December 18th. The figure is expected to have decreased from the previous week, while the 4-week moving average is forecast to have marginally increased. Despite the increase in the moving average, a slight improvement in the initial jobless claims could support the greenback in the midst of thin market. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on ironfx.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade delivered directly to you. And also, follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. Since this is my last morning video of the year and I will see you again on January 4, we at IronFX Global would like to wish you all warm holidays filled with abundance, joy and treasured moments, and a greater success in your trading in the new year of 2016. This is Sakis Paraskevov, Senior Fundamental Analyst at IronFX Global, wishing you solid trading.